Guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and beauty educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below telling me what topics on makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. Today, I will be teaching you 4 tips you need to know to always achieve a flawless, natural looking foundation application on your bride. So let's get into it. Okay, for most brides, their wedding day is so special to them because for most of them, this is a day that they've dreamt about or thought about for a really long time. This is also a day that they've invested a lot of money and time on. A lot of planning has gone into it and they just want it to be perfect. So the last thing that any bride wants to worry about on her special day is makeup that will have her feeling uncomfortable or looking cakey. In fact, from working with numerous brides for the past 10 years, I have found that most brides just want to look like the best versions of themselves on their wedding day. And this is where you, the makeup artist, comes in. Because beautiful, flawless makeup starts with a beautiful and flawless face, which for the makeup or the face makeup is the foundation application. So here are the 4 things you should know and do as a makeup artist to always achieve flawless foundation application on your brides. Number 1 is skin prep. Yes, this may sound cliche, but it's also true. Proper skin prep is the first step to achieving flawless foundation application on your clients. As a makeup artist, you have to know how to prepare your bride's skin to get it ready to receive makeup. And not just to get the skin ready to receive makeup, but also to have the makeup sitting pretty on the skin. And that is what proper skin prep can do for makeup. You should prep your bride's skin according to her skin type and according to the type of makeup that you're looking to apply on her. Say for example, your bride has a drier skin type. Then your skin prep should be tailored to be more hydrating on your bride's skin. Number 2 tip is use the correct shade of foundation. So this may seem like a no-brainer, but this is where I see a lot of makeup artists get it wrong. So foundations come in numerous shades which cater to different skin tones. And while foundation can make your client look flawless if applied correctly, it can completely mess up your work when applied incorrectly. So applying the wrong shade of foundation can make your client or bride look cakey and unflattering. And what bride wants that on her wedding day? So it's important to match your bride's skin tone to her perfect shade of foundation. Not every light skin client's foundation has to be yellow, and not every dark skin client's foundation has to be red. As a makeup educator, the way that I teach my students to find the perfect foundation match for their clients is by identifying not only the skin tone of their clients, but the undertones as well. So I teach them how to see and interpret colors on the skin and in makeup so that they can always match their clients and brides perfectly every time. Tip number 3, don't go in at first with a heavy hand of foundation. Listen, going in full speed ahead with a heavy hand of foundation on your bride's face is one sure way to get your client or bride's foundation to not just look cakey, but also look like a mask. And like I said in the beginning, most brides want to feel and look like the best versions of themselves on their wedding day. So cakey makeup is definitely a no. The way that I teach my students to apply foundation is to start off with a light layer of foundation and then gently add more foundation as you need it or in the areas where you need it. So by applying your foundation like this, you can control just how much foundation you use and also apply only how much foundation your bride needs. Last but not least, tip number 4, go easy on powder. So after you've done such a beautiful job with your foundation and complexion products, the last thing you want to do is ruin it by overpowdering your bride's face. Overpowdering your bride can lead to cakey makeup, especially if your bride is on the drier side, if she has dry skin, because loading on that powder on her skin will only dry out her skin even more, which will in turn lead to the breakup of her makeup and just have her looking very unflattering. And you don't want to do that to your bride on her wedding day. So go easy on the powder to set the makeup. So this is how I teach my students to apply powder on their clients. So you get your powder brush, get some powder on it, then tap off the excess and then gently set your client's or bride's face makeup to lock all that beautiful work that you've already done in place. And there you have it, guys. 4 tips and things that you can do to help you get a more natural looking foundation application on your bride. So I hope this video has helped you understand what to do and not do when applying foundation on your bride. These tips, if applied correctly, should help you achieve a more flawless foundation application on your clients and brides every single time. So let's keep this conversation going in the comments below. Let me know, what tips do you have for flawless makeup application? I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I already said leave me a comment. Thank you guys for joining me. See you next time. Bye.